That's the MTV Cribs cut-in.
Welcome to our whare.
Yeah, tēnei tō mātou whare, a NUKUROA, because it's always on the nuku, and he roa te haere. Here's our foyer. No, cool. And that's it, whānau. No. Wāhi moi, wāhi kai, hui hui, mahi, tunu kai, anei te kautā.
I don't know, we spend a lot of time on the road already with our waiata, and it was just the dream to want to do life on the road again with kids.
So, mōku ake, ko te mea nui ki au, te tito tēnei waiata me te kōpai hau. Yeah, was te whai wā, te whakawātea i au anō. Aku whakaro, taku manawa, taku ngākau, kia u tika, kia u marika, ki te kaupapa o te waiata. It's funny, we have the bunks here for our tamariki, but I'm the one sleeping on the bunks. Only I can do this. Kua,
I hate it.
Yeah. Ko takutua mama ki roto i ngā bunks nei, but she's just like, nah, can't do it.
Yeah, like we are so lucky to get to live like this. Just I hope they grow up to know that they can, like whatever dreams they have, I hope they kind of chase them, you know, and find a way to, like, life is short and beautiful.